We'll discuss why we are here. We are here to get the past to brilliant future. Last time we were here, what did we discuss about?
Time.
What did we discuss about? Time zone, random password, all of that. But what is the theme? You remember that? What is it? Yeah. Curiosity. Very good. Curious. Being curious. Right? Trust me, being curious will help you become a great software professional. It will help you become great in life. Today we will talk about how you can, what are the actual steps. So we talked about last time curiosity. Now I'll tell you what are the actual steps to get to your dream company. Okay. Now if you want to get your dream company, first of all, what do we mean by dream company? This office looks good? This is a good looking office? Yes? You want to work in a place like this? Yes? You want to go to office, it should look like this kind of place where you're getting to be, not only in this kind of furniture, it's great furniture, great place and all, free coffee, free food, lots of interesting people around you, smart people around you, but also the level of problems you're solving. What is the name of this company? Anybody knows? JP Morgan. Anybody heard of this company before?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what does this company do?
About banking.
About banking, very nice. Anything else you all know about this company? Very good, very good. So this company is into finance. They create a lot of software products for finance industry. They themselves also do a lot of financial trading and so on. Okay, they are always looking out for smart programmers, people who are really good at programming and really good at problem solving. Lot of edyst alumni are in this company. At least triple digits. More than 100 edyst alumni are in this company. In Hyderabad, they are working in this company over here. What about this company? What is this company? Facebook. Right? So this is Facebook office, one of the offices in Hyderabad. Will be fun to work in Facebook?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why do you think it will be fun to work in Facebook? We can watch Instagram reels whole day. That's why. Then, why will it be fun to work in Facebook? Office is great. That is one reason. But why? Brand name is there. You tell anybody, your parents, your relatives working in Facebook. Oh, they recognize the name. Right? But what about you? Okay, brand is for others. Office furniture after 10 days, after 20 days, you'll feel happy. But the chair will be chair, no? That chair will not become car. Correct? What about you? Why you want to work in this company? Why should you want to work in this company? What is exciting about these companies? Not exciting? What is the difference between that company and, let's say, working in a hotel over here? Here also hotel needs some software. Right? So you go to a hotel over here, hotel also needs some software. What is the difference between working in Facebook and working with that hotel as software engineer? Some difference must be there. Well, you can think there's no correct answer here. You can say anything. You have to say something. What do you think? What's the difference? Package, okay, very good. Let's say there's a great hotel here. Great hotel, they will give you 20 lakhs per annum. In Kakinada only. Great hotel is there, they want best software engineer, 20 lakhs per annum they are willing to give. This company also will give you 20 lakhs per annum. So package is same now. Package is same. Then?
Recognition.
What?
Recognition.
Recognition. Okay, very good. Brand is there. When you say Facebook, if you say Ramaraju Hotel I am working in, people will not know also. Right? Yeah? So whatever hotel, you can keep whichever hotel. I mean, I don't know whichever hotel you want to say. Taj Hotel, maybe people will remember also. Okay, brand name is one. What else? Development meaning?
We can do the work smarter here than there.
We can do the work smarter here than there. Very nice. Can you give some example? What do you mean by that?
Since here we can sit and work through the computer, whereas there we should do some management work.
Okay, but let me say, you can sit down. Let me say that you are doing software work only over there. I purposely said that it's not, you are not going there and you are becoming receptionist. You are going there and you are doing software work. You are writing their inventory, you are writing the check-in, check-out system of hotel. Okay. Why is that same as Facebook then?
No.
Is working there same as Facebook?
No,
What
sir.
is difference? You are saying it's not same. So there must be some difference. What is the difference?
We can work anywhere in the office.
Sorry, we can?
Can we work anywhere in the office?
You can work anywhere in the office. Let's say this hotel give you very good office. Very, very good office they give you. Okay? They give you really good office. They give you entire floor. Your name? Huh? Varsha. So Varsha, they give you entire floor. Said that in this floor you can work anywhere. Okay? Sit down. Don't get up. Sit down. But so, as Varsha said, you can work anywhere. This is correct here. Desks are anywhere. You can get your laptop. You can put anywhere. Right? You can have fun. My friends who are working in Facebook, they said they were new freshers only. They went to California. Real California, not that Africa that you all put in the map. Okay? Actual California. Alright? They went to California. First day itself, they all orientation, everything happened. They're sitting on desk. Like this only. Like, not like this desk, but like, different desks. They're sitting on this desk. That desk over there, they see who is there? Mark Zuckerberg is sitting. You know Mark Zuckerberg? Yeah? He is doing coding over there. That's how they also work. Right? These companies, CEO will also be sitting there, engineering head will also be sitting there, fresher will also be sitting there. All sitting in same desk, putting headphone, listening to music, coding. Let's say your hotel over here, Kakinada Hotel also, as Varsha said, give entire floor to you, you can sit anywhere, no problem. Now is that work same as Facebook work?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, in Facebook.
People around us. People around us. Okay. Very good. What do you mean by people around us? You are saying you will not have as smart people as in Facebook?
No, sir.
Then?
Culture difference.
Culture? Different. Okay. What do you mean by that different? Culture? What do we mean by it? Others? What is the difference? What is the big difference?
Sir, we can work as
Everybody please. She's speaking. Everybody quiet. Yes.
Sir, in Facebook we have back-end, front-end projects, sir. So we can work as front-end developer or back-end developer. But in hotel, what can we work? For suppose front-end and back-end. For front-end, there is no other people. We should only manage totally. But
Okay. So she's saying in Facebook there are so many different things to do. Right? In the hotel, I will be the only one. I will have to do both front-end and back-end. Now let me say the hotel is, again I'm giving you one more ad. Hotel has good budget. They said not only you, this entire row of people they hired. All 10 people they hired and they said your front-end, your back-end, your database, your whatever, another software. Okay? Then what do we do? Is the hotel working same as Facebook work?
no, sir.
Still you are saying no. Why? There is something you are not getting. There is something you are not getting. What is that thing?
Social media.
Whatever? What? Sorry?
Based on social media helps us to improve the application.
Because it's social media, it will help you improve application. Yes.
Interest.
Your interest. Naturally, you will be more interested in social media than you are interested in hotel management. Correct. That I agree with you. Okay? That is there. So, shall I say then, but are you interested in financial management? So, JP Morgan and hotel are same. If you look at the previous company, working JP Morgan and working in hotel is same. Because this is also not social media. So, what's the difference? What is the difference? Tell me.
Working environment.
What is the difference? There is one big difference.
Working environment.
Working environment, I already told you, they give you whole floor. What? They are? Everybody, quiet. Let's listen to it. They are? Biggest companies. So, you are correct, you are half correct answer you given. They are biggest companies, so what? If you work for government of India, okay everybody, if you work for government of India, lakhs and lakhs of people are working, right? Is that same as working in Facebook? Biggest company, right? All okay? All good? Discussion over, done? Okay. Discuss with me, okay? Not amongst yourselves. Yes? What's difference? Shall we just go and get placement in hotel? Right? It's good, no? We'll be in Kakinada only. Right? Get good package also. Get entire floor also for us. Exploration. You take vacation and you explore. No problem. You take vacation, you go to Himalaya, you explore, you come back. What is the reason? Why these companies are great? Let me show you another photo. Can anybody tell me which office this is?
Google.
Google. This was just when Google Hyderabad started. Great pool table is there. You can play pool. They have gym. They have amazing kitchen also. This is the kitchen. Kitchen meaning you don't have to cook. They'll cook for you. Okay. And my friends who are all in Google, they all tell me, Anik, it's a great place to work. Only problem is within 1 month I put on 10 kg. I've become fat by 10 kg because the food is so good. Every day some paneer butter masala, some biryani I'm having, it's just too good, is what they're saying. And sweets. One of my other friend who was interning at Google, his internship was about to end. Last day of internship he went with full bag like this kind of bag, like my bag like this one. He went, opened it, took 50-60 chocolates and just put it there. Said, tomorrow my internship will not be there, but my summer vacation is there, I need some chocolate to eat. So he took that and he went away. Right? So this is there. But your Kakinada hotel is also very generous. Every day there is buffet. Every day buffet is there, every day they are giving you chocolates. So working in Google is same as working in the hotel? Why? Why? You are not telling me why. Shall we put your placement in hotel?
No, sir.
Then why you want to be placed in Google? Apart from brand name, why you want to be placed in Google? Brand name is there, I agree. Brand name is the only thing. If brand name is the only thing, I will give you Google t-shirt. You wear Google t-shirt, you tell everybody I am working in Google. Same package you will have. Same food you are getting. Nobody will know also. Anyway, your parents will not know difference. Right? You go work in office, you say you are working in Google. No problem. Right? You show, sir, I got Google t-shirt. Right? Show them that. What is the difference? Market? What about the market? Marketing. What is the marketing difference? Think. Long time since you have used this fully. Start using. What is the difference? Projects. Very good. Go on. What about the projects? Very, very good. What about the projects?
They develop different types of projects.
They develop different types of projects. She is 90% there. Go on. Let's go on. Let's go further on that. Projects. They develop different types of projects. How are these projects different? How are these projects different? Innovative. Okay, very nice. How are they innovative? Don't give me one word. Tell me properly. They are innovative. They are different. How?
The projects in Google can be used by anyone.
Projects in Google can be used by anyone. Very good. Example? Any example? Let her think. Let her think. Everybody, no need to laugh. Let her think. Take your time. Think.
Wikipedia, everyone.
Okay. So Wikipedia not developed by Google, but you are correct, right? It's something that can be used by anyone. Google search, for example. All of you are having Android phone?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Who developed that? Which company has developed that? Android. You don't know? Android is Google product only. Android made by Google only. Okay? So, you are using Google Chrome?
Yes, sir.
Who it's made by? Google only.
Mails.
Google Mail, Gmail, very nice. Very, very good example. Right? Google Drive, Google Play Store. Very good. Different type of project. And one thing very common in this project. Everybody pay close attention. This is the part. Very common in all of these projects. What is it? He said it can be used by anyone. Let me tell you, it is used by anyone. What is the difference? It is used by anyone means in entire globe there are 7 billion people. 7 billion people. Majority of them are using products made by Google or Facebook. Majority of them. What does that mean? Why that is different from our hotel job? Same package, same work environment. In theory, hypothetically, there is no such hotel. Okay, if you are all thinking that I will go to that hotel, I will get a good job in Kakinada, there is no such hotel like that. I was giving you imaginary hotel. Okay, but let's say there was a hotel. Still, that hotel can only serve 100 guests, 200 guests in a day, maybe 1000 guests in a day. Google is making projects which are used by billions of people every day. Not just billions throughout lifetime, billions of people every day. That is the scale of the projects they are working on. And that is why you should want to join these companies. Yes, there is great food. Yes, there is package. Yes, there is brand. But even after all this, as an engineer, you will love working at these companies because you get to solve problems. Let me give you an example. Anybody use this platform? What platform is this?
YouTube.
This one? YouTube. These are some statistics, some numbers from the year 2019. 2019 before pandemic. After pandemic, these numbers have increased a lot because in pandemic what we were doing? We were sitting on YouTube only, no? So, just look at some of these numbers. I'll give you an example. In 2019, every month 1.9 billion, almost 2 billion people, 30% of the world, 30% of the world, in that map you saw, 30% of that map is logging into YouTube every month. In your hotel, in your entire lifetime, that many people cannot come. So what? If that many people cannot come, so what? Means your software that you will design, the system that you will write, has to be that much more complex. You have to solve problems which nobody has ever seen in life before. That is the level of problems that they are solving. And that is why you should want to be there. If you make your goal that I want to be there, you will get to solve problems used by entire world and at a scale that is unimaginable. Look at this. Every minute, 300 hours of YouTube or of video are uploaded on YouTube. Every minute. You are also one of them, right? I think RK sir was telling me yesterday that as part of Teach to Learn and all, you all uploading YouTube videos, yes. Correct? So among you and many other people, 300 hours of video are uploaded every minute. Every minute, that is, as we are speaking right now, this minute, all over the world, 300 hours of video are uploaded. Where do we store it? Your WhatsApp gets full, right? When you start sending videos, right? Your mobile will get full. That is what, with 5-minute videos, 10-minute videos, photos, mobile storage full. That comes for you all, right? Here, entire world is uploading. Anytime you saw YouTube upload is full, YouTube storage is full. Anytime, where are they storing this?
In big data.
Where are they storing their servers? And the moment you upload, within 2 minutes anybody can view it. Within 2 minutes, she uploaded, you can view it, you can watch it. How they are doing it so quickly? How they are able to get it uploaded very quickly, even with low connection. You might be on 2G connection, 3G connection, still video will get uploaded. Video is uploaded, it's stored, and other person is able to watch also. So fast. How? This is because they have amazing engineers. Engineers who solve these problems with such amazing technology that they had to create that technology. And that is why you should want to join these companies, so you can make the same technology. That is what your aim should be. You are in which year right now? Which year? Second year. You have second, third and fourth year. You have no excuse. Meaning that, sir, I have seen many of these excuses. You come to 4th year, sir, 4th year, if only I had done something in 2nd year, I will also be in Google right now. Okay, they have some excuse. You are in 2nd year, no excuse. If you start now and actually start building your basics, you can also be there. And I am saying this not just like that. We have guided all these students into different companies. We have actually guided all the students into different companies. But for that, you need proper step-by-step process. But anyway, I'll tell you that. Why I wanted to show you this is, no matter package might be same, no matter brand might be same, but the scale of problems will not be same. The scale is too much here. You will never in your hotel get 2 billion people coming. Another platform I'll show you. Anybody knows this platform? I think it's banned right now, right? Okay. Still some of you might be using it. Using some hacks and so on. Anybody hacked their way and using TikTok? Still? Okay. Same thing as Instagram Reels, right? Almost same thing. Just look at this. Every hour, 23 million views are done. Every hour, 23 million views are done. Imagine that server. Somewhere that video is stored. Somebody upload the video. Somebody is keeping that video. 23 million people are watching that video every hour. How do they do it? And what's amazing about TikTok and your Instagram Reels, very, very amazing thing, is when you log into TikTok or when you log into Instagram Reels, when you look at the Reels, you're all watching some Reels, right? Did you tell Reels what subject you like? What your interests are? Are you seeing Reels of your friends or these are random people? Random people, right? Some random people dancing, some random people are skating, some random people. Have you ever taken your reel compared with your friend's reel? Are they same reels?
No, sir.
Everybody is getting different?
Yes, sir.
But everybody is getting something interesting to them. You open it, next thing you know, 20 minutes gone. What happened? You kept scrolling. After 20 minutes you realize, oh, time wasted. Correct? Happens with everyone? How they are able to show you videos that are so interesting to you? They don't know who you are. They don't know your likes, your dislikes. They don't know they are not showing you your friends' content. If I ask your parents, if I ask your best friend to get 20 videos and show you, they will not do as good a job as Instagram will. But Instagram doesn't even know you. Your friends know you. Your best friend knows you completely. Your parents know you. Your whole life your parents have seen you. If you tell them, get 20 videos and show this person to interest them, and you take Instagram, who will win? Instagram will win, right? How Instagram is able to give you those 20 videos, keep you addicted? How is it able to do it? Any idea? Anybody know the name of that technology? Loudly. You can give wrong answer also, no problem. Data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Through showing you, after they show you just 3-4 videos, they recognize what you like, what you don't like, and they start showing you that content that you like. That technology is so powerful, your own friends can't tell you, your own parents can't tell you, but that technology is able to show you that content which is addicting to you. Good or bad, we'll keep that on the side, but that takes immense amount of engineering. Requires a lot of engineering. People in your Facebook, your Google, in these companies are working on these projects. Your aim should be to join these companies so that you can build such projects. So you can build such technology. Okay? So how many of you want to join these companies? How many of you want to join these companies? Raise your hands. Okay. How many of you want a job? How many of you after graduation genuinely want to do a job? Okay. Most of you. Alright. How many of you want to do startup after your graduation? Startup. Okay, very nice. Very good. How many of you want to just relax after graduation? No job, nothing. Alright. So, to get into any of these companies, there are about four skills that you require for sure. Okay? One is problem solving. And why I kept these two different? Problem solving and coding. Why? Coding, I'll show you. Coding is just writing the solution. But problem solving is actually solving the problem. To give you an example, okay? When Amazon created Alexa, you heard of Amazon Alexa? Yes. Right? When Amazon created Alexa, they didn't start by coding. They first have to figure out how to even understand human speech. Humans are speaking, Alexa has to understand, right? How to even understand human speech, they have to solve that problem. Then that solution they can put into coding. We have Amazon Alexa over there only. All good? What happened? You don't want to be here? You can go, no problem. My friend, get up. Get up now. They have to do? They have to actually solve that problem. Right? They can't just write the code because nobody's actually done that problem before. So they require problem solving ability, they require coding skills, they require communication. I will tell you one thing, your communication I'm seeing is better than your seniors. Yesterday I spent 2 days with seniors, you are all more confident than seniors. Don't lose this. Continue speaking in English with your friends. Don't lose this communication skills. Continue. I'm not saying you are great. I'm saying you are better than your seniors, that's all. You have to keep improving. Number 4, having project. If you want to get into any of these great product companies, these 4 skills are must. We will guide you through all 4 of them. But all 4 will not happen from hackathon. Today we'll do session. Tomorrow again I do one hackathon. Suddenly you will learn coding. Day after I do hackathon. Suddenly you will do project. It's not like that. There is no magic pill. I have that pill. Oh, now I know programming. I have another pill. Oh, now I know coding. Now I know project. It does not work like that. Okay? It's long process. It takes time. Step by step is what you need to do. Okay? This is the steps. These are the steps for coding. Let's divide all the companies that we know into 3 categories. We'll divide all the companies into 3 categories. One is what is these companies called? Do you know what they're called? And they're all MNCs. They're all MNCs. MNC means multinational corporate. Means they are in different countries. These companies are called service companies. Okay? That company, the ones over there are called product companies. What's the difference between service company and product based? What's the difference between service company and product company? Service company works. Okay, give me example of service company. Okay. TCS, very good. Wipro, okay. Infosys, okay. Example. Product company example. Very good. And so on. Flipkart, Google, so on. Okay. What's the difference between them? Difference is service company works on project given to them by somebody else. Product company does not work on others' project. They create their own project. Example, Google. Google created Google search. They created Android. Right? What are the Google Chrome? They create for them own. They are not creating for other people. But if you look at TCS Infosys, is there TCS search?
No, sir.
Infosys Instagram?
No, sir.
Have you seen? No? Then what do these companies do? They create projects for other people. Let me give you an example. Anybody of you applied for passport anytime? Okay. Anybody of you, okay, you will not have done that, but if you apply for passport, for example, or how many of you got your vaccination? Right? Which portal we went to book the vaccination? Cowin portal. Cowin portal was made by one such company. Cowin portal was made by some service company. What government of India said? They said, we want a portal which will, as people book their slot, they will get a slot, right? And they can go and get a vaccination. Okay. Who was the first person to get the vaccination? Means which age group? First senior citizens got it. They are the most at risk. So government told the company, make platforms such that first senior citizens should be given priority. Then young people will be given priority. Okay. Also make it such that every district is having their own list. It's not nationwide list. Right? It is this district is having one list, that district is having one list. This is very similar to when you all book movie tickets. How do you book movie tickets? Anybody is doing booking movie ticket? Book My Show or Paytm. Same technology over there also. Over there, first person who's coming will go and book the ticket. This is not a new problem. What TCS, Infosys or any of this company do is, you got the requirement, take existing solution and implement for current problem. COVID vaccination, slot has to be booked, take the solution of ticket booking and apply it to the COVID portal. That is what service company does. Service company will implement solutions. They are going to implement solutions, but they don't have to find out new solution. For the most part, they don't have to find out. But Amazon, Google, you remember Amazon, I said Alexa?
Yes.
They have to first solve problem, then implement it. They have to first solve the problem of speech to text, text to speech, understanding speech. YouTube first have to solve the problem of, if billion people come, what do we do? If billion people come, what do we do? They have to first invent the problem or invent the solution and then have to actually implement it. That is why these companies require such smart engineers, people who can actually solve problems. That's why they require that. So if I now go here, as I was showing you, you have service companies here. Syllabus for service companies, if you are applying for service companies, syllabus for some service companies is lesser. Syllabus for product companies is more. In service companies, you need to know your basic if-else statements. You all heard of these concepts, if-else statements? In your academics you must have heard. If-else statements, maths concepts of prime numbers, factorial, loops, for loop, while loop, printing patterns, arrays or lists, right? Very basic data structure like stacks, queues, linked list. These coding questions are asked by service companies. Typically the package is anywhere from 3.6 to 4.5 lakhs per annum. That's how much they give you. If you know zero programming, that means you don't know any programming and you want to learn all these skills, it will take 250 hours roughly. Now you take 249 hours, don't come and say, sir, you said 250, but I finished in 249. Okay? I'm just giving you estimation. 250 hours, let's do calculation. 3 hours a day you are practicing. 3 hours a day you are practicing. How many days will it be needed for this one? 250 hours?
80 days.
80, 83 days? 84, 83. How many months is that?
3 months.
3 months. In 3 months, you will know enough programming to crack the programming test of this. You still need to make project. You still need to get good communication skills. So don't think that, oh, I will just start now. Not now. I'll start in 3 months. I will crack this company. No. You still need communication, problem solving skills and so on. But overall, the programming required is just 3 months over here. Then you have these companies which are somewhere in the middle of service and product companies. Like they have their own products, but they also do some servicing. Okay. Here they ask you more advanced things, like they will ask you dictionaries, sets, maps. They will ask you more advanced questions on strings, advanced questions on arrays. These companies typically give you 6 to 12 lakhs per annum. Anywhere between 6 to 12 lakhs per annum. To get to that level of companies, overall from zero, you will require 450 hours of coding. Or if you are already good at this, then 200 more hours to get to 450. Finally, the big companies. They give you anywhere from 12 lakhs all the way to 1 CR also, if you are going in their US companies. There you need to know recursion, backtracking, advanced data structures like trees, graphs, tries, bunch of other things like that, segment trees. You need to know those kind of data structures also. There you need minimum 1000 hours of coding. 3 hours per day. How many days are there for 1000 hours of coding? If you do 3 hours every day, how many days do you require?
300, nearly 300. 33.
Roughly 1 year, 333 or 1 year. Right? How many are there in 1 year? 365. This is 11 months. Some days you will be sick, some days you will take Sunday off, something like that. So overall 1 year, one full solid year is required just to crack the coding rounds of these companies. Just to crack coding round. Coding round is just one part, by the way. Problem solving and coding round is one part. You still need to do good communication skills, you still need good project. That is why I am saying you are in second year, it's right time to start. Okay, with your third year also we have started, it takes more time with your third year. Okay, so we have started with your third year, but it's rushed for them. I don't say more time, but it's in fast pace with them. With you, we can take nice time, understand all the concepts, and then you can get into all these product companies. Okay? Do you all want to do this journey?
Yes,
Do you all want to start this journey?
yes, sir.
Yes? Okay. So we will start this journey. We will help you in all 4 aspects except for communication. That your college will help you with. But problem solving will teach you. Coding will teach you. Projects will help you with. But you need to do all of the activities. Don't just come to hackathon and say, sir, hackathon, I want prizes. Okay? If you just come like that, then you will not really learn anything. Because between all the hackathons, we will have another event like this within, I think, 1 month or 45 days or something. By that time, you should be at some level, because that time I am going to discuss few more advanced things. Then after that, again, after 40 days, we will again come back. Again, we will discuss some more advanced things. But for that, you need to keep practicing in the middle. If you don't practice, then you will not do. For example, if I ask you all to run 1 kilometer today, you will all be able to run 1 kilometer? At least one, you should be able to run. Tomorrow I come and say, okay, come, let's run 5 kilometers. Maybe some of you will be able to run. Day after tomorrow I come and say, Monday, let's run 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers, anybody? Then Tuesday I come and say, come, let's go 50 kilometers. Possible? No, right? That is what, if you'd expect everyday hackathon. So today AIML hackathon. Tomorrow data science hackathon. Day after blockchain hackathon. It doesn't work like that. Okay? You have to have regular practice every day to be ready for that event. And that is the calendar that I will show you. Every day we are going to have some practice, some sessions, and then we will have events also. That events will be much more productive if you are doing the practice in the middle. Please tell, okay? Because no prize is shown here, everybody is sitting home, I think. If prize, some headphones, some this, some that, I think more people will come. Right? Anyways. Alright, so what we'll do right now is, I'll give you all a 10 minutes break. Okay? Please take 10 minutes break. After that, we will start our journey. We are going to start our journey of programming. Today, I will take you through some basics of programming. Some of this you will already know. You will say, sir, what? Hello world only you are printing again. You know how to print hello world?
Yes, sir.
Right? You have to literally just type print hello world. Right? So you will say, sir, again just printing hello world only. It's just introduction. Slowly, slowly we'll take you up. Okay? And by the next time I come, we'll do another project. Alright? So we'll start that programming today. I want you all to just take a quick 10 minutes break. I've been talking continuously. You might be bored of me. Okay? So 11:13 it is. 11:25 we will continue again. Take 12 minutes break.